for the Clintons than it is for everybody else, including you and me. The second thing we learned was that Hillary Clinton was reckless, she was negligent, and that she was careless. And that means we've learned that nobody who is that reckless and careless with national security ought ever to be elected president and have the nuclear codes, for heaven's sakes. And the third thing we learned is that James Comey is likely to be the next contestant they'll be announcing on Dancing with the Stars, because he did a miraculously amazing two-step today in just being able to say that despite the fact that she had clearly violated all kinds of laws for which people are right now in prison, Hillary is going to join the Olympic skate team for being a gold medal skater, skating on thin ice.
Comey put Hillary above the law today, and he laid out the case as well as anybody at how this should be a criminal case. And then, Laura, he said one thing that really struck me. He said, to be clear, this is not to suggest that in similar circumstances that a person engaged in this activity would face no consequences. To the contrary, those individuals are often subject to security and administrative sanctions. And I have a whole list of people who have been.
Right. Well, again, the law applies to regular people, including General Petraeus. In the Army Times had a piece last year about a soldier who removed classified information from Iraq. He didn't do anything with it, but he was prosecuted criminally and successfully for that. So, again, what people have to understand here is that Hillary Clinton intentionally kept information away from the regular course of scrutiny and FOIA requests, and she subverted the classified nature of these communications, which indicates, as Governor Huckabee said, she does not have the judgment. If she really thought that that was okay, then my goodness, she doesn't have the judgment to be commander-in-chief, despite the fact that Obama today said, well, she was in the Situation Room when Osama bin Laden was killed, blah, blah, blah. She doesn't have the judgment. I mean, this was mind-bogglingly
stupid
in a row, at the very least.